guys, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and you can turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of beauty related content such as makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, makeup inspiration, makeup reactions. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I definitely suggest subscribing. You can also check me out on my social media accounts here, which will be in the description box below. I do a lot of short form videos, makeup content, makeup inspiration, makeup tutorials. If that sounds like your jam, definitely follow me. Today's video is sponsored by Clione Prime, which is the Amazon top seller in Korea. They are cruelty-free and PETA approved. We're going to be going in with a DIY lash kit at home that you can get on Amazon for only $20. It has everything that you need to go ahead and do a lash lift at home. So I have my 3-step-in-1 lash lifting kit here. It comes with the lash lifting perming kit. Everything you need in here to give yourself a lash lift at home. I will open this up and show you guys how to do this. I also have a lash shampoo. This is a foaming cleanser that you can use on your lashes, and it comes with a brush as well. So this is the foaming cleanser. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of I do have some makeup on my hand right here, and I'm gonna kind of try to cleanse it off with this brush and the foaming cleanser. So this is kind of like a lash shampoo as well as a facial cleanser, which is great. It's like a 2-in-1, and I am super happy to have this because I always need more cleansers, and it is doing a great job at removing the makeup that is on my hand. I did do my face prior to this video, and I always have to put my concealer or foundation on my hand, and it is all gone now. So this is a very good cleanser. So you can use this as a lash shampoo, or you can even use it as a facial cleanser because it really does get your makeup off super quickly, and it also prevents wrinkles. Love that. We love some skincare in our facial cleansers, always a plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna get started with this lash lift. So I'm opening up box number 1. And I have a little pamphlet here with picture directions. Great, I love that. And I have all of the creams that I need to lift my lashes and perm them. One of the really good things about this that I like a lot is that it is very hygienic. Like, all of these creams come in little one-use tubes, so you won't be contaminating anything or getting bacteria or even corrupting your health at all, because it's super hygienic. And all of these creams are super nourishing and contain natural ingredients. And in the second box, we have these little sticky pads that we have to apply to our eyes and stick the lashes on to go ahead and perm them. Also very good, very hygienic, multiple for one use only. Love that. We have the lash primer here and the lash glue here. And the glue is good for sensitive skin as well, so anyone can use this. Also comes with this little packet of spoolies, sponges, and little brushes, and it also has this little ring cup thing where you can put the product in here and dip into it, so it is easier to use and it is more hygienic. They thought of everything. This is going to be super easy for me. So I'm going to go ahead and read the directions, and we're going to get started. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is cleanse my lashes and make sure that there is no dirt or oil on them, because that is just going to make it easier to have a better lift. I'm going to take some of this cleanser and apply it onto my hand. And I'm going to take the brush, and I'm just going to go ahead on my lash line and make sure that there's no dirt or anything on my lashes. Also going to be doing this one eye at a time, and I'm going to bring you guys in closer. I actually really like this brush because it is making it super easy to actually get in here into my lashes and actually clean them. Like I said, this is good for sensitive skin as well. It's not even getting in my eye at all, and I feel absolutely no irritation. And now I feel like my lashes are nice and clean. Now I'm gonna go in with the lash primer, prime my lashes, and I'm gonna put that in this little cup here. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this in this ring cup, just like 3 drops. And I'm going to take this little sponge applicator, and I'm just going to apply it onto my lashes. So this is going to clean it up a little bit further and make sure that there is no dirt or oil on my lashes, and really prep them and prime them for the perming and the curling process. Like that. Now we're going to go ahead and put this little silicone pad on our eyes. So I'm going to take the lash glue, and I'm going to apply it on the back of the silicone pad so it will stick to my eye. So the directions say to apply this 3 times, and then wait about 40 seconds, and then place it onto your eye. If we've waited long enough, I'm going to go ahead and put this as close to my lash line as possible. like so, and boom, it's stuck on there. It also says to make sure that the lotion doesn't really get on the tips of your lashes, which will be easy because I kind of got it really close to my lash line and I look crazy right now. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply the glue on the outer side of the silicone pad. And I'm gonna put a couple coats on here. Make sure we get a good amount on the whole entire thing so that the lashes will actually stick to this. And they also give us a little Y brush here, which I can go ahead and comb the lashes on to the silicone pad, which I will do right now. So I'm just gonna kind of brush the lashes up so that they stick to the glue. Yes, I see some sticking. Nice. I'm so excited. This is actually super easy to do. Like, I thought I was gonna have some fumbles or some type of mishap, but this is working like exactly how they say it's supposed to go. But look at my lashes. They look great already. And this Y brush is actually super helpful for this. So glad that I have this to do this with. Okay, so now that I have my lashes where they need to be, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying these nourishing creams and perming lotions. So we're gonna go in with the step 1s, and this is all written on this pamphlet here with the directions. So great. So we're using the flock tip applicator, which is apparently what it's called, and I'm going in with the step 1 lotion, and I'm applying it to my lashes, also avoiding the tips, which is just where your lashes come out naturally and where your skin is at. So I'm just like applying this on my entire lash line area. Another great thing about these lotions is that they're not watery, so they won't drip down into your eye. And I feel like I'm not really taking that much precaution, or like I'm not really giving this too much attention or being really careful either, because I kind of don't know what I'm doing, but this is like super easy. Okay, so now that I have the first step lash lotion on my lashes, I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 to 12 minutes and I will be right back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. I actually put some kind of like saran wrap on this because that's what it said to do. Forgot to tell you guys. I actually used some of the wrapping paper from, I think, the brush that came with the shampoo because I did not feel like going downstairs. This works just as well, so literally everything you need. Or you can just not be lazy and get your own kitchen saran wrap. So it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to take this off. It says to go ahead and kind of clean up the lotion that you put on. So I'm going to do that with a cotton pad. So I'm just going to kind of like tissue off. Oh heck. I'm just going to use some tissue paper to do that with and kind of like make sure it's not there anymore. I was going to use a cotton pad, but that just is too, this is a little bit too sticky for that because then I'll have fuzzies all over my eyelashes. So I'm just gonna kind of like dab it, and then we're gonna go in with the step 2 lotion. So next I'm taking the step 2 lotion and I'm using a new flock applicator. I'm gonna do the same exact thing and just apply it to my lashes and just like give it a nice even coat and kind of like avoiding the tips in the root area. And I just want to mention that I didn't get anything in my eye yet, so great. So it doesn't say that you need to use kitchen wrap for this step, so we're not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on for 10 more minutes, and I will be right back. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and tissue this second lotion off. So I'm just going to kind of like dab it and swipe it upward. And kind of like take off what I just put on, you know? And this is actually really, really easy to do. Like, I know I've said that like 10 times already, but you guys, like, this is really not stressful at all. And I had no knowledge of any type of lash lifting. I watched a couple videos of people doing their own lash lifts, like some TikToks before this, and I felt pretty prepared. But like this is like super easy. Like doing it yourself is a whole different ball game, but this was so effortless. So now that we have the step 2 lotion off, we're gonna go ahead and apply the step 3 lotion, which is the last one. So this is actually Nourishing Essence, and it has some vitamins for your lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this, and this is just gonna kind of feed your lashes some nutrients, I guess, and just, you know, this is the last step. Make your lashes look nice, shiny, and healthy. So I'm gonna apply this like I did the last 2 lotions all over with a new applicator, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna see how my lashes look after that, and I'm super excited to see the results. Now it says to go ahead and remove all dirt and oil and take off the pads slowly. So I think I'm just gonna go back in with this lash shampoo brush and kind of brush it over just a little bit. The brush is a little bit damp, so I'm just gonna kind of like brush it through, make sure that there's like nothing really going on here, and just kind of clean them up and take off all of the excess product. I'm also going to go in with a tissue as well to kind of get rid of anything or any excess residue that may be on these lashes, and we are going to gently peel them off. Okay, you guys. Oh my god, my lashes look so good. They look super curled and super just uplifted. I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up. So these are my lashes after, and these are my lashes before. Like, I naturally have pretty good lashes, but they look so good. It says to kind of brush through them and see how you like them. Oh my gosh, you guys, my eyelashes are so curly. They look so cute. So nice. I really like them. That was like super easy to do. This is great. They are very much curly and less straight. This looks really nice. This is the difference from far away, and they look super cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I will be right back, but this is the comparison from the before and the after. Okay, so I went ahead and did my second eye. I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up of what the after looks like on both eyes. This is what we have going on, and my lashes look super curled, super lifted, and they are super soft, and like they just look so good. I love them. Literally did not take me that long. It takes me longer to do like a whole self-care skin pamper routine on the days that I like to just sit down and like take care of myself and use a face mask and, you know, just like sit here and do some grooming. But this was super worth it. I love it so much. It was so easy, like super easy. I love that it comes with instructions right here. It just makes the whole process so simple. And I did this eye so much faster than I did this eye because I wasn't talking to a camera, and it's fantastic. So like I said, it does last up to 6 to 8 weeks, and I am definitely a fan. I'm so glad that I did this. Mascara, who, okay, this is literally what my lashes look like when I wear mascara, and they look so good. So let me know what you guys think down below. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and you can check me out on my social media accounts, which will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again so much for Clione Prime for sponsoring this video. Bye!